Now on this plan, I have the main building here and I have the boss quarter here. But if I want to view this elevation, you see that this boss quarter will be blocking this window and other stuffs that are here. And if I want to view this, the elevation of this boss quarter here, the main building will be blocking the boss quarter. I will not be able to see the boss quarter. So what I can do to maneuver this is I will simply copy this elevation marker. I'll click on copy and bring it here so that this particular one will be viewing this left hand side elevation, this left elevation. So if I click on this one now, you see now that it is no longer blocking the left side elevation, except that it has cut part of the boss cutter, and that is because there is no enough space between the boss cutter and the main building. So if you don't have enough space to maneuver so that your elevation does not cut part of the second building, like this one now, if I click on this, point now, okay, you can see this line. This is the line that peak elevation. If this line is not cutting through any model, it means you are good to go. Now let's see it now. You see now that it's no longer cutting part of the boss cutter, so it's perfect now. Okay, then what if I want to view the boss cutter? I want to view this elevation correctly. So what I would do is to simply copy one of them and bring it here. Then when I bring it here, I can change the orientation by selecting it and click on this. You see this small box. If I click on it and uncheck this one, click yes, you can now see that it's only viewing this side now. Okay, so I can double click on this arrow and let's drag this one up. Let's drag the crop region up. Okay, you can see that elevation is still cutting through the main building. It's cutting part of the main building, especially from the first floor. So if you don't have enough space, that will warrant you to separate them. But if you have enough space to be able to maneuver all these elevation markers so that they view the particular building you want them to view. Like for me in this case, I will not be able to maneuver it well because the space between the main building and the boss cutter is too tight. Now let me show you a simple way you can maneuver elevation. I can copy this elevation to anywhere I want to copy it to. If I copy it and I want to change the orientation, I simply select it and uncheck this. View right side view will be right side view 1 will be deleted. Click OK. Okay, now I don't have any single view now, so I select it back. If I want to view this end, I simply check this mark, and from that moment it will start viewing this end. What if I want to view this side? I select this, I uncheck this, click yes, then check this. From that moment it will start viewing this end, and that is how you can go to any direction you want. Okay, and I hope with this video it will help you to maneuver your elevation markers. Like in this case now, if you don't have enough space like this, in that case I will advise you to have a different file. For instance, I can save this, save as project, and I'll name this one as boys quarter or BQ, simply BQ. I save. Okay, now this one is boys quarter. So I am going to simply delete the main building. I'll delete the main building. Okay, delete the main building so that I'm no longer going to have problem with my elevation. But if you have enough space between them, you can leave them and only maneuver the elevation markers. Sorry, let me move this elevation marker out. I don't want to delete it. I will hold on my shift to deselect this section. Oh, I don't want to delete any view now, so I simply select all these and go to my filter. Then I will uncheck views, then uncheck elevations and click OK. Then I delete. Okay, now I can simply delete this particular one because it's of no use again since I've deleted my main building. So I'm going to move this elevation marker out. I make sure what I've selected is only elevation, and I am going to move them back. Okay, now if I want to view that elevation now, oh, okay, I need to drag this one to be able to view the boys quarter well. Okay, you can see there are still some parts of the main building that are still there. That is part of the roof that is blocking our view. So I'm going to remove them and go to my elevation now. You can see it is only viewing the boys quarter now. In my own case, the boys quarter is a story building. Okay, so that is how you can maneuver your elevation marker. Let me go to this. So if I like, I can remove all these. They are no longer useful. I can delete them. They are no longer useful. I can delete this one. Yes, then I move this one here, and I can move this one backward. So all these ones are focusing on the boys quarter alone, and I hope this video is going to help you. If it does, don't forget to give me a video testimonial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.